Will they cool down, or will they continue to be a major challenge? The policies of central banks, especially the US Federal Reserve, are a huge piece of this puzzle. Their decisions on interest rates can ripple through the entire global economy. Another fascinating trend to watch is how central banks around the world are behaving. Many are now buying gold in record amounts, building up their reserves. Why are they doing this? It's a classic move in times of uncertainty. They're hedging their bets, looking for a stable asset when currencies feel shaky. This large-scale buying and selling of gold by the world's most powerful financial institutions has a direct and significant impact on its price. It's like a high-stakes chess game, and every move shapes the financial future for all of us. Now, let's talk about the shining star of the moment: gold. Across international markets, the price of gold has been on a remarkable upward trend. It's not just a small bump. We're seeing a significant surge. Many financial experts are looking at their charts and models, and their forecasts are bold. Some are predicting that gold could reach as high as $3,200 to $3,500 per ounce. That's a massive leap from where we are today. This isn't just an abstract number. It has real-world consequences, especially in markets where gold is deeply woven into the culture and economy. Take Asia, for instance. In countries like India, where gold is a traditional store of value and a key part of weddings and festivals, such a price hike would be monumental. In places like Bangladesh, we could potentially see the price of gold cross 1.5 lakh taka per bori. Imagine the impact that would have on families, jewelers, and the local economy. It would change everything. The excitement is palpable. Traders are reacting, and global charts are lighting up. But here's where the mystery deepens. There are certain events, lurking just over the horizon, that could completely reverse this upward trend. What could possibly be powerful enough to stop gold's meteoric rise? Stay with me as we uncover this twist. Let's pivot to the other side of the equation, the US dollar. For decades, it has been the world's reserve currency, the bedrock of international trade. But is its throne secure? There are growing questions about whether the dollar's value will depreciate in the coming years. Several factors are contributing to this concern. The same geopolitical instability and wars that we discussed earlier can shake confidence in any currency, even the dollar. Then there's the mountain of international debt. The US owes a lot of money, and at some point, that has to be addressed. Simultaneously, we're seeing the strengthening of other currencies and economic blocs. Nations are actively seeking to trade in their own currencies, reducing their reliance on the dollar. The BRICS nations, for example, are exploring alternatives, which could chip away at the dollar's dominance. And of course, the Fed's policies play a crucial role. If they decide to lower interest rates to stimulate the economy, it could make the dollar less attractive to international investors, who might look for better returns elsewhere. We see this uncertainty reflected in the dollar index charts, and the international news is filled with stories about this potential shift. But hold on, there's a suspenseful element here too. To make sense of all this, we need to turn to the experts. They spend their days poring over data, trying to predict these complex movements. Many are pointing to the inherent risks of going all in on any single asset. If you're thinking of investing heavily in gold, you need to understand the potential downsides. What if the price corrects sharply? Similarly, holding on to large amounts of cash in dollars might seem safe, but if the dollar depreciates, your purchasing power will erode. It's a classic dilemma of risk versus reward. This is the mystery that truly keeps financial insiders up at night. So, where does this leave us as we look towards 2026? Which way will the scales tip? Will gold continue its climb to the stars? Or will the dollar defy the odds and reassert its strength? There are incredible opportunities for those who are prepared, but there are also significant risks for the unwary. The charts will continue to move, the visuals will be dynamic, and the only certainty is change itself. The Global Economy of 2026 is a book filled with mysteries waiting to be read. Gold could skyrocket to historic highs. The dollar could lose its long-held dominance. The currents of finance are shifting beneath our feet, and the landscape is transforming before our very eyes. The only question that remains is, are you ready? If you enjoyed unraveling this economic mystery with us, please give this video a like. And for more updates that dig deep into the financial puzzles shaping our world, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.